panels are up, and now he is trenching the line. He's gonna make everything underground, everything connected. Super exciting. Next level. Such a great machine, such a great skill. Saving my husband tons of back-breaking labor. So while he's working on that, I am painting the roof hoop, and I have painted the cube shed. I think it looks great. So we are out here running the electrical lines through the conduit. And he's pulling the lines as I'm walking it down, and we're dry fitting it. It's gonna come down and around and connect to the solar panels. What are you doing?
Just running some wire for solar. Pretty exciting.
Freedom.
It's not fair to be. Will you hold my pole? We can't do it.
That's coming.
All right.
Ready?
Oh, yeah. I like that.
Hold on.
You gotta help me out here. Pull.
Pull. There you go.
You coming in the third one? The tape off, huh?
Yes.
Did I get that yet?
Oh, I'll go back. Okay. There you go. That definitely helped.
Looking good, man. We can do it.
We can do it. Pull the black one.
Black skinny or black fat?
Black skinny. There we go.
Connected?
Hold on.
You doing that one-handed?
Yep.
Lord.
All right.
All right. Now we're gonna make a bend here.
So we're gonna take that little elbow and run it through.
I think so, but I wanted it to be a couple more feet this way. So I wonder. I'm gonna get in your feet here.
No, as a matter of fact, we're probably not even pushed on totally.
All right, that's okay. What I'll do then. I think I can actually use this. Okay, a little S here. I don't know if that's gonna work.
So we just dug out a little more so that the elbow would fit. And we are on our way.
You gotta feed me.
Hold on. Okay.
Sissy, get, go, run. Get it, go get Murph. You're all beat.
We got the conduit all ran and attaching it to the house.
So, dig. Right here. Can you hold that right there? And then do. I got a different elbow I'll use. Yeah, put it back down. Because it's going to go on there.
Oh, look at that.
So it's upside down. Right? So go through. Yeah. Alright, so. Trench in here. Do you have that garden shovel? Couldn't really get the skid steer in here. I'm gonna go about 18 inches down. Really only 8.
Looks like 18 though.
You gonna help me dig, grandson? Help me dig a hole. Oh. There you go.
Good boy. Good boy.
18
Good
inches.
boy.
Keep it at 18 inches.
Good boy. Keep going. Oh, he wants a rock. That's what he wants. Find a rock. Oh, he's out of here. Handsome boy.
Alright. Let's try and measure this again. You'll have to bend it. Come on.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy helping Grandpa.
Sun goes down. Turn that.
Oh, yeah, she a good digger. She a very good digger. She gonna help? Is she gonna help? Oh yeah. Sis, are you a trench walker? She's burying it for you. Uh-oh. Go get him.
Nice, yes. You know where my copy's at.
Nice.
I'll keep it dry.
Keep it dry.
I gotta pick this up. Good.
Last piece. Nice. Good job.
Right before dark. I'm gonna fill it in. I got everything hooked back up. And I just gotta backfill
Nice.
before the rain.
for watching. Till next time, we're praying you're blessed by Dirt Not Diamonds. We'll see you soon.